Hello and welcome to my craft room this afternoon. Today we're going to be working on the Polar Bear Snuggles design sheet. So this design sheet has 4 toppers, so you can get 4 individual projects on here, and it also has a range of a few sentiments as well, and 2 backing plates, so you can use these to pop your peel-offs on, or you can stamp little sentiments on. So we're going to be using this one, which I have already done a bit of matting and layering on. I've used a quickie glue pen to draw over the snowflakes, and I've just poured some glitter over the top. I did draw a few little elements around their scarves just to highlight some of the detail. So we'll move this to one side and get started. So I've taken a 5.5 by 5.5 square card blank, and what I've done is I've scored the front of the card in more or less half, and that's going to give me my little easel shape. So just to make the inside look a bit prettier, I have prepared some cardstock and then some paper to go over the top. So I've done this a little bit ahead of time just so you don't get sick of watching me cut everything out. But all I've done is I've taken the cardstock and I've trimmed it down just a few mil shorter than the card blank itself. I'm just going to put a nice layer of white crisp paper. This is the same printing paper that I use for my design sheets. I'm just going to pop that on the top, and then that gives you a nice white base for to write a little message on. So there's the inside of the card looking a bit prettier. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pop on that pre-prepared lovely topper. So what we're going to do is we are just going to include adhesive onto the bottom half of the topper. So all we're going to do is glue it to this side so it enables you to open your card. So I've gone in with my tape pen there, but just to make sure that I've got a really good strong bond, I'm going to pop on a little bit of wet glue as well, and then I know it's not going to come off. So line up your top 2 corners with your card and make sure that you're happy with it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of piece of paper, because I don't want to be rubbing over the top of the design, because I don't want to bring off any of the glitter. And I'm just going to go over with my scoring tool just to make sure that it's pressed down nice and securely. So I want to create a little stopper so it will hold the front of the card blank when it's stood up. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use one of the little blank sentiment plates. And I'm just going to pop that on a little bit of the blue cardstock. you find it easier to use your trimmer for this, use your trimmer. But for speed, I'm just cutting out, so I just want to have a little bit of the blue all the way around. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some foam tape on the back of this just to make it stand out. It'll stand off against the bottom of the card and it'll hold open. And then your little card's ready to embellish and decorate as you want. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the Facebook projects. I will be doing a full supplies list of everything that I've used, and I'll also include the photos of the finished cards. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.